NSAS. Lawyer asks court to stop Labour Party, Obi and others from staging rally at Lekki Tollgate. Welcome to the news, and please subscribe to our channel to get notified when we post hot juicy news updates. Please click on the notification bell. Ahead of a proposed rally to commemorate second year anniversary of NSAS protest, tagged Obi Dati 2023 Forward Ever Rally and slated for October 1st, 2020 or any other date in Lagos State, 10 plaintiffs, including 9 lawyers, have approached the Federal High Court seeking to halt the rally. The plaintiffs are asking the court to stop the Labour Party LP, its candidate and supporters from staging the proposed rally. Specifically, they asked the court to restrain the Labour Party, its presidential candidate Peter Obi, his vice Yusuf Dati Baba Ahmed, one Julius Abure, and their loyalists from holding the rally until the hearing and determination of their motion and notice of September 12, 2022. The plaintiffs are Adedotun Ajulu, ESQ, Salamatu Sulaiman Lewi, ESQ, Hakim Ijaduola, ESQ, Ogunbona Akinpelu, ESQ, Owolabi K. Oluwasegun, ESQ, Mogbojuri Kayode, ESQ, Uyep Tim Nadom, ESQ, Dememo Mabel, ESQ, Kolawole Salami, ESQ, and Wale Abe Lawrence. The first 10 defendants in the suit marked FHC LCS 1729-2022 are Obi, Labour Party, Baba Ahmed Abure, the Inspector General of Police IJP, Commissioner of Police Lagos State Command, Director General Department of State Services DSS, Lekki Concession Company LCC Limited, Attorney General of Lagos State, and the Governor of Lagos State. They filed an ex parte motion before the Justice Daniel Osiago through their counsel Mr. Dada Awoshika, San, leading Temilolu Adamulekun and others. The plaintiffs argue that a repeat or celebration of the infamous NSAS protest of 2020 under the political guise of Obi Dati Forward Ever Rally will cause a breakdown of peace and will result in a post-traumatic stress disorder for them and the public. They prayed the court for 4 reliefs: an order of interim injunction restraining the first, second, third, and fourth defendants, their associates and loyalists from conducting the scheduled NSAS. The scheduled NSAS rally tagged as Obi Dati 23 Forward Ever Rally. An order of interim injunction restraining the 5th, 6th, 7th defendants from allowing or granting permissions to the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th defendants, their agents and the organizers of Obi Dati 23 Forward Ever Rally at the behest of the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th defendants from carrying out the said anniversary on the 1st of October 2022 and any other subsequent date. An order of interim injunction restraining the 8th defendants, LCC, from granting permission to the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th defendants, their agents, privates, allies, and loyalists, to make use of Lekki Tollgate or any other space under and within the control of the 8th defendant for carrying out the said anniversary on the 1st of October 2022 and any other subsequent date. Justice Osiago directed the plaintiffs to put all the defendants on notice. The judge made the order following Awoshika's application. He adjourned the hearing of substantive motion till September 23, 2022. The plaintiffs, by their originating summons filed on September 9, 2022, listed 12 grounds upon which the judge should grant the reliefs. They include the reaction of the supporters, agents, privates, and loyalists of the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th defendants to stage the scheduled rally tagged Obi Dati 23 Forward Ever Rally to hold on the 1st of October 2022 is contrary to Section 45(1) of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, as well as actions of the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 defendants by allowing the first 4 defendants amount on overreach in executive powers and a breach of statutory duties bestowed on them. That the first, second, and third and fourth defendants, their agents, privates, and allies and loyalists have gone beyond the reach of the fundamental right to assembly at the scheduled rally tagged as OB-3023 Forward Ever Rally in contravention with the purpose of Section 45(1) of the Constitution. That the 5, 6, and 7 defendants are security agencies enacted by relevant statutes and have a sole duty and responsibility to maintain public safety, law and order in the society at large. That the 5th, 6th, and 7th defendants have failed to do their duties as required of them by the law by granting permission to the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th defendants, their agents, privates, allies, and loyalists to conduct the scheduled rally tagged as OB-30-2023 Forward Ever Rally on the 1st of October 2022 at the Lekki Tollgate. That the 8th defendant is in gross breach of the purpose of Section 38(2) of the Companies and Allied Matters Act 2020 to not donate its property to any political party or political association or for any political cause to which the 8th defendant has failed forthwith. That the 9th and 10th defendants, being constitutionally enacted officers, have statutory bestowed duties and obligations to the general public to preserve and maintain law, public order, safety, and also ensure compliance with the law to which they have failed forthwith. That the scheduled rally tagged as OB-3023 Forward Ever Rally is to hold on the 1st of October 2022, and failure to restrain the defendants from the conjunction of a said rally would amount to another display of great destruction to lives and property as it ensued during the NSAS protest of 2020. That the repeat or celebration of a said infamous NSAS protest of 2020 in this year, 2022, under the political guise of OB-3023 Forward Ever Rally will result in a total breakdown of peace and will result in a post-traumatic stress disorder for myself and other plaintiff as well as some affected member of the public, as same has generated major controversy on the social media with loyalists and members of other political camps, and equally threatening a rival rally at the same date and venue for convergence. Please, all this plenty grammar, not because they won't do rally for Lekki Tollgate. Hey, now wow, if not like this, then they come outside, come they sue, come they talk about Boko Haram, people they harass people they for not, insecurity. Maybe Nigeria go not go far. So they have people who can come out to say this. Now, if they are coming out to say they should prevent them because it will further destroy lives and property. Did it destroy lives and property in 2021? They did. Last year, they did a repeat. What I knew happened was that people were arrested. People were beaten again. The same thing when they complain. Until that problem is solved, they will keep on going there. Until that place becomes a place of redemption, where we are going to mount something there, a statue or whatever, and say, oh, this is the place where we say we get our freedom. We were always coming to this place and they listen to us. Nothing for the government. If they like, may them sue from now till next year. Me, this there are plenty grammar that they speak here. It no be at all. They should do the needful, then the citizens can listen to them. Alright, on this note, we've come to the end of the news.